How to fix something went wrong. Please try again later on Roblox. Hi everybody. If you're getting this kind of issue when you're trying to log in into Roblox, you may follow up this method. So instead of the Roblox app, you may head over to one of the browser and head over and type in roblox.com and log in into your account. Now once you are logged in, what you can do is you need to use your passkey and your login credentials to log in, and you can just head over and try accessing the game from the browser instead. So head over to the game first and open it up, and you can just head over and look out for the play button within the browser. So you cannot play the game within the browser, so it will automatically ask you if you would like to use the application. So what you need to do is basically open up Roblox in application, use your credentials in the Roblox app. It should redirect you to that section. Just use your credentials and that should kind of help you fix the issue. If not this, you can try clearing the cache of your browser as well. So head over the info, the three dot at the top right corner, and from there go over the settings and look out for cache, which is under privacy and security. Tap on it and look out for delete browsing data. And from here, you can look out for delete history, cookie, site data, and cache. Just go ahead and do that and fix that issue. Or if you're using the application, you can clear the cache of the application as well. And check your internet connection as well. Sometimes not having a proper internet connection also has, let's just skip that issue. So head over to settings for that, look out for Wi-Fi and connections, and look out for Wi-Fi or data you're using, and try switching up between networks to see if that is the issue. And if you're using the application, try reinstalling the application Roblox again. For that, delete up Roblox first and head over to Play Store and look out for Roblox again in the search. And once you go ahead and find it, you can just go ahead and install it again and see if that works. So you may follow up the solutions and let us know in the comments if it works. If it does, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.